water like a landscaper with the hose that works as hard as the pros with the professional-grade premium hybrid polymer garden hose from Aqua Joe. Super strong and constructed from a rugged, high-density, flexible hybrid polymer material for maximum durability and performance in the yard and garden. Aqua Joe won't kink, twist, or tangle. Burst rated to 500 psi. Aqua Joe is lightweight and easy to maneuver around trees, plants, pavers, concrete, and coping to water with uninterrupted flow without ever having to stop and straighten the hose. BPA-free, lead-free, and phthalate-free, Aqua Joe provides maximum durability plus performance and coils easily for compact storage. Equipped with non-slip durable rubber grips with protective collars and solid aluminum fittings, Aqua Joe provides a secure leak-proof connection while the 5/8" diameter hose delivers maximum flow. The innovative hybrid polymer dual-layer design is crush-proof, abrasion-resistant, and built to withstand the toughest treatment, all while maintaining flexibility down to 35 degrees Fahrenheit. And every Aqua Joe hybrid polymer hose includes a complete 2-year warranty for reliable job performance season after season. So water like a pro and go with Joe, the professional-grade premium hybrid polymer garden hose from Aqua Joe. Get equipped.